In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels views not showing. So to fix this, first you want to check if Instagram needs updating. So leave Instagram, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, and here see if it needs updating. So you just might want to update it, and this should fix your issue. And if this didn't fix your issue, simply go back to Instagram and go to your profile and click at the top right and go down a little bit here. Here you will see account type and tools. Click on that, and here you wanna click switch to professional account. Click next and click just artist or whatever, then switch to professional, creator, next, then not now, X, and hopefully this should fix your issue. You should be able to see, if you go here, you should be able to see all of the view counts on your Instagram Reels. And that's it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.